At Lucintel, we've done significant research into the use of composites for suspension components in the automotive industry. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market, as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the automotive composites suspension components market. We've done considerable secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain to develop our insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We have over 1,000 clients worldwide, and we offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A to companies around the world. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the opportunities in play for composites in the suspension components market for automotive. To summarize, we see the opportunity as being interesting. For example, the global market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of roughly 3.2% through 2025. In terms of the overall opportunity, automotive composite suspension components represent roughly 0.1% of the total automotive suspension components market. Currently, composite leaf springs represent the largest component type, whereas passenger cars and light commercial vehicles represent the largest vehicle segment. In terms of the regions, the European region offers the largest demand for automotive composite suspension components, followed by North America and then by the Asia Pacific. If you look into the value chain, you see that the ecosystem for this market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the key drivers and emerging trends that we're seeing in this market. Some of the major drivers include the growing volume of vehicle production, as well as increasing demand for lightweight materials. Some of the major challenges, however, include the high cost of composite materials. In terms of the major trends, we're seeing the emergence of the development of lightweight suspensions and CFRP leaf springs for heavy commercial vehicles as being significant trends in this market. As you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, challenges, and trends throughout the value chain. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities for low-cost composite suspension component manufacturing. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the automotive composite suspension component market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. At Lucintel, we have an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the use of composites in the automotive industry, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video today.